And welcome to solving quadratic equations. First of all, how would we know that we have a quadratic equation? So as you know, at first we look at the highest degree or the highest power we have here in our equation. So the highest power here is 2, so this means a quadratic equation. But how are we going to solve it? First, we need to count how many terms here in the quadratic equation we have. Here we have in this expression 3. So 3 means it's a trinomial. So how we solve a trinomial? We just make two brackets here equals 0. Now we think like this. X is, yes, x multiply x. So we put x here and x here. And then we think like this. Which two numbers, if we multiply them, we're going to get positive 6. But if we add them together, or their sum is 5. Like what? If we think about positive 6 is 6 multiplied by 1 or 3 multiplied by 2. We don't have any other numbers. Their product is going to be 6. So 6 plus 1 here is 7, but 3 plus 2 here is 5 only. So the middle term here is 5, exactly. So I'm going to use these two numbers because their sum is 5 and their multiplication or product is 6. According to this, I will write here 3 and I will write here 2. And now, the middle term here is negative. So as you see here, this positive, we can write it as positive, positive, or negative, negative, because positive, positive is positive, negative, negative is negative. So here we need to use a same sign here. So what I'm going to do here, yes, it's going to be negative and negative. But how can we get the value of x here? So we're going to cut these two brackets because which bracket going to give us the 0 here, as you know. So from here, x minus 3 equal to 0. From here, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So from here, we could say that x equals 3, and from here, we can say x equals 2. So now we have our solution set, or the answers for us here is 3 and 2. Okay, this is the first test here. The second test that I'm going to do right now is I will turn it into light mode. So, hey Siri, light mode.
Okay, I turned on light mode.
So now let's solve the same question using the light mode to decide which one is better than the other. I will not do it so much just because I need just compare between the dark mode and light mode. So here we just make two brackets as you see here. What multiplied by what? X multiplied by x. Here's 3 multiplied by 2. And putting here negative and here is negative. So from here x equal 3 and from here x equal 2. So now we know how to find x using this quadratic equation. So